They say if Jupiter is the king of planets, then Saturn is the poet. A planet so mesmerizing that even through a small telescope, it looks almost unreal. A glowing orb wrapped in perfect, delicate rings, suspended in the black sea of space. But what if I told you those rings are vanishing? And that beneath Saturn's beauty lies a darkness, storms that rage for centuries, moons that may harbor life, and mysteries so deep even the mighty Cassini spacecraft could not solve them all. Let's journey to the realm of the ringed giant, Saturn, a world of breathtaking splendor and haunting secrets. Imagine standing on one of Saturn's moons, perhaps Enceladus, and looking up. Above you, Saturn looms so large it fills the sky. A yellowish titan surrounded by vast glowing rings that stretch thousands of kilometers in every direction. The view would be so stunning it might feel like looking at a god, yet that god is dying ever so slowly. Those magnificent rings, made of ice, rock, and cosmic dust, are raining down onto Saturn, particle by particle, disappearing into the planet's upper atmosphere. Scientists call it ring rain. Every second, thousands of kilograms of ring material fall from orbit, vanishing into Saturn's clouds. In 100 million years, a blink in cosmic time, the rings could be gone forever. What remains will be just another gas giant, stripped of its crown. But the mystery of the rings isn't just that they're fading, it's how they formed in the first place. For decades, astronomers believed the rings were as old as Saturn itself, dating back 4.5 billion years. But Cassini's final dive into the planet's atmosphere told a different story. The rings are shockingly young, perhaps only 100 million years old. If Earth's dinosaurs had telescopes, they might have witnessed Saturn before it even had rings. So where did they come from? One haunting possibility. They're the shattered remains of a lost moon. Long ago, a moon may have drifted too close to Saturn, torn apart by the planet's immense gravity. The icy fragments spread out, forming the glittering bands we see today. In a cruel twist, the moon that once orbited Saturn now circles it eternally, not as a body, but as debris. The rings, magnificent and tragic, are a cosmic memorial. Yet Saturn is not defined by its rings alone. It's a world of colossal storms and impossible beauty. Its winds scream at over 1,800 kilometers per hour, faster than any hurricane on Earth. Near the planet's North Pole lies one of the strangest formations in the entire solar system, a storm shaped like a perfect hexagon, a six-sided jet stream large enough to swallow 4 Earths, rotating endlessly, unbroken for at least 4 decades. How can nature carve a geometric shape into the clouds of a gas giant? No one fully knows. Some scientists think it's a standing wave, like ripples frozen in motion. Others suspect deeper atmospheric mechanics at play. But the truth remains elusive. The hexagon seems eternal, turning silently at the top of the world, a symbol of cosmic order in a sea of chaos. And chaos is what Saturn rules best. Surrounding the planet are more than 140 moons, each stranger than the last. The largest, Titan, is a world shrouded in golden haze, thicker than Earth's atmosphere. It rains there, but not water. It rains liquid methane, forming rivers, lakes, and even seas of natural gas. If you could walk along Titan's shores, you'd see waves of methane lapping against icy beaches. Above you, Saturn would hang in the sky, faintly visible through the orange clouds. But Titan holds an even deeper mystery. Beneath its frozen crust may lie an ocean of liquid water. This makes Titan one of the most promising places in the solar system to search for life. Not life as we know it, but something adapted to frigid cold, to methane seas, and to a sun that's 10 times dimmer than Earth's. NASA's upcoming Dragonfly mission, a drone-like explorer set to launch later this decade, will one day soar through Titan's skies, searching for signs of chemistry that could hint at alien life. But Titan isn't the only moon with secrets. Another, smaller world, Enceladus, may be even more extraordinary. In 2005, as the Cassini spacecraft swept past Enceladus, its instruments detected something astonishing: geysers shooting out from the moon's south pole. Plumes of water vapor and ice particles, jetting hundreds of kilometers into space. When Cassini flew through them, it found not just water, but organic molecules, salts, and simple compounds essential to life. It was as if Enceladus were whispering to us, "There's something alive beneath my surface." Beneath its icy shell lies a global ocean, warmed by tidal forces as Saturn's gravity squeezes and stretches the moon. It's pitch black down there, but hydrothermal vents, like those on Earth's ocean floors, may be spewing heat and nutrients into the depths. On Earth, such vents teem with life. Could they on Enceladus too? We don't know, but the next generation of explorers is preparing to find out. Saturn's moons tell stories of water and potential life, but the planet itself holds riddles that defy understanding. Beneath its serene exterior, Saturn is a planet of extremes. Its density is so low that if there were a bathtub large enough, Saturn would float. Its core, though, might be a stormy soup of metallic hydrogen, an exotic state of matter that conducts electricity like a metal and glows under immense pressure. We can't see the surface because Saturn doesn't really have one. The deeper you go, the higher the pressure, until atoms themselves begin to break apart. It's a place where physics bends, where the familiar rules of matter start to dissolve. Cassini's final mission was to dive into that abyss. After 13 years orbiting Saturn, sending back over 400,000 photos, the spacecraft was running low on fuel. To avoid contaminating moons like Enceladus or Titan, possible homes for life, NASA sent Cassini into Saturn itself. As it descended, it transmitted data until its signal was lost, crushed and vaporized in the planet's atmosphere. The last message it sent to Earth took 83 minutes to arrive, a farewell from 1 billion kilometers away. That moment marked the end of one of humanity's greatest voyages. And yet, the mysteries Cassini uncovered are still echoing through science today. Saturn is not just a planet. It's a reminder of cosmic balance, creation and destruction intertwined. A world adorned with rings that will vanish, moons that may harbor life, and storms that never die. It is beauty and terror woven together. When you gaze at Saturn through a telescope, you're not just seeing another planet. You're witnessing the fleeting perfection of a celestial masterpiece, one that's slowly, inevitably fading away. Perhaps that's what makes Saturn so haunting. It's not just what it is, but what it represents. The impermanence of beauty, the inevitability of change, and the vast, indifferent grandeur of the universe itself.